Hello and welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm here at my aunt's place. We'll be making chicken pakora in her style. So let's go and see the recipe, the ingredients which she is going to use. So let's go to the kitchen. So I'm here at the kitchen. She's boiling the chicken just now. I'm here. And what vegetables she's going to use, let's see those. So the ingredients which is required are cabbage. This is the main ingredients that is needed in chicken pakora. You need to cut into pieces and you need to cut it into small pieces. Today I'm going to learn with my aunt as her style, as her recipe. At tape chicken pakora lang bang pipito ni hang tong ke jog ni la bang ke aning ke hang aling pa jog nang lang dun po Charlie dun po nona bang ke cabbage at bomb lo la pen ke jog ke carrot la pen ke onion. Now she's chopping the onion small slices. She's the experience here. So here she is taken 3 onion here.
Finally I have chopped.
Yes.
I'm gonna cry now.
Don't cry.
Bring me tissue paper.
Gajar ka halwa. Wow, you're so sweet. Okay, this is the easier way to grind the vegetables, which are cabbage and onion. Make it small as possible. She is taking the skin of the chicken and shredding it off. You can see with her own hands. Cabbage, onions and carrot. Oh, kabangke, ang sertang halala. Now I'll put here and mix it well.
So I'll put the basin.
Okay.
So you will do practically you will be doing by yourself today.
Okay. Pila jagi na pinada ha. Mix la po nuri pa. Apektung jo. Monero cholong po. Done mixing. Jo. Okay,
So a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Swad anusar ubu hai. And then this is for the color. It's not necessary to put the haldi, but like.
Okay, ne ba tum dun Charlie pa. Charlie dun pen la hai. And what is this?
We'll put thoda sa jeera.
Oh.
Just little bit, and then chaat masala if you want to, so that it has got the flavors inside. You do the mixing and I'll find the basin.
Oh, can't wait to have it.
You can put chili, but then we have the odd baby will be tasting the pakora. He calls it pakor, baby language pakor. So that's why we are not putting any red chili or any chilies, green chilies like that. So we try this.
Depende malata.
Yes. I will bring water. थोड़ा पानी लेके हाँ मिक्स करो. So mixing. Let's put more basin on it. Oh yes, I forgot one more thing. I'll add the corn flour.
Okay.
I think this corn flour, many people don't put it, but I like to put it because I like pakora to be crispy. So it's not necessary ki you put all, but just. Okay, I think it's enough. Mixing का जादू
सिर्फ हाथों में ही आता है.
हाथों का जितना स्वाद है चला गया पकोड़े पे. इसको बोलते हैं हाथ का खाना, हाथ का पसीना, हाथ का खाना. If it is too thick, it is bad. If it is too thin, it's also bad. So you have to balance it. Not so gravy and then not so thick. So I think it is quite all right. Not so thin and not so thick. I think it's quite balanced. So I think we are ready to fry it.
Yay!
So the oil is heat and it is ready for frying the pakoras. So here goes the first one. Always it is good to put it with hands, but I don't want to mess my hands with it. So it's more good. Jok satu pot crispy pakoda.
And then I'm gonna take out now.
Direct to stomach.
Now the plating is done. Garnishing with some onions, cabbage, and with some chaat masala. So this is the final plating with coffee. Woo. Coffee time. Apo lah ni pino recipe lah. Try pa. Kenapa anu? Ikan sudah ada.
Apa nama dia? Muni mau tampil dok.
Muni mau.
Hai plate ada ulemak mereka.
Bina. Bina. Muni mau kamu jauh. Okay.
Tolong. Tolong.
Entah, badam sedol.
Betul di merublin.
Dolo. Mana ya?
Dadam nak cing odang se.
Anyway,
Jadi kan dem si curah rumah.
festival lah ya. Video baca deh. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.